What up, fam? This year, I have been manifesting the fuck out of all the shit that I want. I kid you not, from everything from, say, weight loss to I've been growing my business by like 400%. I'm making shit happen. My secret? I have a vision board on my lock screen of my phone. First, I should let you know that I am definitely a visionary person. I can like picture myself emotionally and physically in situations, and so this comes a little bit easier to me, but I want to give you a couple of tricks of how I turn, like, say, this idea or this vision into an actual image and then put it on my phone. You guys, it's really all a fucking vibe. I do actually have a physical vision board in my home studio. I'll show you. But I also really wanted to have a way to have these like subliminal messages throughout my day. So what better way than through my phone that I seem to be always checking, although nobody's texting me. How I do this all and compile everything together is I'll use things like, say, Pinterest, Instagram, and then I bring everything together through Canva, which is free, so you can do this without having to pay anything. So the way I get these ideas is literally through fucking living life. This can be like my coworkers, my friends at the gym, or even just my friends online. I see what they're doing, I enjoy it, I like it, and I want it to be a part of my vision. One of the hardest steps for me when I started doing this was finding images that really, I'd say, resonated with me and also reflected what I'm going for. For example, I wanted to grow my business, and at first I started looking at Pinterest of things like, oh, let's find aesthetic images of money. And I think I did that for maybe a month, but it just wasn't like, this isn't Screaming Alley. So what I did was I ended up taking a screenshot of my bank account and like in Canva adding the amount of money that I want to have in there. So my brain, when I see it, I'm like, okay, this is normal. This is what we're used to seeing. I just realized how dead and nasty that plan is. Please do not judge me. 90% of my plans are still doing good. For weight loss, I done 75 hard. I'm actually on day 72 right now. And I just looked up other people who are doing the program from hashtags on Instagram. And then I also have a lot of friends who've lost weight or are in amazing shape and live the lifestyle that I want. And I just use screenshots. Is that creepy? Maybe, but I haven't had any complaints about it. Okay, now let's move on to the software side. How to bring everything together in Canva and make it look chef kiss.
All right, once you have an account set up in Canva, you're gonna wanna go ahead to the top right of the page and click Create a Design. From the list, select Phone Wallpaper. Canva's gonna open a new page for you that you're gonna design in. It actually comes with some pretty cool templates you can work with, but we want to make our own collage. So I have already taken screenshots of the items that I want. So I'm just going to drag and drop, and it's going to automatically load in my upload folder. Once you have what you want uploaded, you can just drag and drop, or you can just click and the image will display on the screen. You can adjust the sizes, any size you want, and move anywhere. I personally like to have mine look a little bit chaotic, so I move mine around and overlap them as much as I need to. And normally I have about, I'd say, 6 to 10 different photos that I add in here. You can change the positioning of images, so I'm right button clicking and then select bring to front, or I can come up to this top bar where it says positions and I can send backwards or forward. I personally like to add a little bit of razzle dazzle to mine and make almost a filtered color over. So what I do is I click elements and I'm just going to select a box, and I'm going to make this box cover the entire screen. And then I'm going to change the color of this box to something a bit more exciting than gray. I really like this blue teal one. And then I'm going to change the opacity or transparency. I think I just said opacity wrong. To something really light, and so it just kind of has that little gradient. And then now all you gotta do is click download and it is saved. All of this can be done from your phone. I just did this on my computer for demonstration purposes. So Get at it.
I hope this helps you make all the shit happen for you. But never, ever, ever forget, you have to take massive fucking action to make it all a reality. Thank you so much for checking out this video. Be sure to give me a like, leave me a comment below if you like this, what you'd like to see more of, and of course, hit subscribe. See you guys later. Bye.